Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, here's a recipe for the rice and peas. What we're first going to do is we're going to rinse off our pigeon peas or gungo peas. Remember, our peas have been soaking overnight, so this helps to get them nice and soft so they cook faster. Next thing you want to do is you want to boil them for at least 30 minutes. After it's been boiling for 30 minutes, you want to add about 3/4 cup of coconut cream. Next, you want to add in your fresh thyme, some green onions, some allspice ground seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Here I'm just adding a little bit of water because you don't want too much coconut cream where the consistency is too thick. After this all comes to a boil, you can add in your Scotch bonnet pepper. After about 3 to 5 minutes, this will all start to boil again, and now you're going to add in 2 cups of jasmine rice. Now we're going to cover it with aluminum foil and then put the top on the pan. The reason we're doing this is because we want to trap all the flavor into the rice. Turn down your heat. All right, guys, you're all done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any suggestions on what to cook next, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye.